Find a function whose Taylor series is the sum n going from 1 to infinity of 4 plus x to the quantity 2n plus 3. As a hint, start with 1 over 1 minus x manipulated. So this problem is asking us to find a function f of x whose Taylor series is given by this series here. Now if we plug in n equals 1, 2, 3, 4 so we can actually look at it, we would have when n is equal to 1, 4 plus x to the 2 plus 3, or 5. The next term would be 4 plus x to the 4 plus 3, or 7. The next one, when n is 2, would be 4 plus, or n is 3, would be 6 plus 3, or 9. And then 4 plus x to the 11, and on down the line. And so it's pretty obvious what the pattern is here. It's just 4 plus x to powers that are going up by 2 each time. Now, let's start by writing the function 1 over 1 minus x and see if we can get to this function from there. The Taylor series for 1 over 1 minus x is 1 plus x squared plus x cubed plus x to the 4th, all the way down the line. And so what we can do is we can take this x and we could replace it by something else in the hope of getting closer to the series we're looking for. Now, what we might try to do is replace it with 4 plus x, since that's the expression being raised to powers all across the board here. Now let's see what would happen if we did that. We would have the Taylor series would be 1 plus 4 plus x plus the quantity 4 plus x squared plus the quantity 4 plus x cubed plus the quantity 4 plus x to the 4th, and on down the line. Now notice that in this series, the powers are going up by 1 each time as opposed to going up by 2's. Now there is a useful way of making powers go up by 2's or 3's or whatever, and that's to take whatever you had and replace it by a power. So instead of using 4 plus x, let's replace everything in here by 4 plus x squared. So we're going to have 1 plus 4 plus x quantity squared, 4 plus x squared squared, 4 plus x squared cubed, 4 plus x squared to the 4th. I'll put in some additional parentheses so we can parse that a little bit better. If we clean this up, we're going to have 1 plus 4 plus x quantity squared plus 4 plus x quantity to the 4th plus 4 plus x quantity to the 2 times 3 to the 6th plus 4 plus x to the quantity 2 times 4, or to the 8th. And now you'll notice that the powers are going up by 2's each time. But there is a difference. Our series right now starts with a 1. The series that we had in the problem prompt starts with an x plus 4 to the 5th power. So we could simply take this and take our power series right here for the function 1 over 1 minus 4 plus x quantity squared and multiply it by 4 plus x to the power 5. If we multiply everything through by that, on the left-hand side we're going to get x plus 4, 4 plus x to the 5th power over 1 minus 4 plus x quantity squared. And on the right-hand side, if we distribute that power term by term by term by term, we're going to have 4 plus x to the 5th plus 4 plus x to the 5th plus 2, or the 7th, plus 4 plus x to the 5th plus 4, or the 9th, plus 4 plus x to the 5th plus 6, or the 11th, and we've recovered exactly the series we were looking for. We have a spot on match. That means our function is 4 plus x to the quantity 5 over 1 minus 4 plus x quantity squared. And we could clean that up if we wanted to, but let's just leave it like that. There's the function who has the Taylor series we're looking for.